Hi, my name is Max and I live in Grapevine, Texas. My experience with White Rock Roofing was super good, and then I called them, they came, look at the house, look at the roof and say, well, you should call the insurance because we had a storm here. And after that, they told me, okay, we will take around 5-7 days to do everything. Yes, as a first-time homeowner, I was a little bit intimidating to do a claim. It was my first time, so I didn't want to call the insurance like 3 hours with them on the phone and then, So White Rock Roofing explained me that it was not that complicated. I called White Rock Roofing, they took care of everything, and then I have a new roof, new siding. I'm pretty happy with it. But in reality, I didn't need to deal with anything. For sure, I don't hesitate to really recommend White Rock Roofing for whatever you wanna do on the roof or on your home. They're pretty nice people to work with.